Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add an accessibility menu to your Simplebooklet's navbar. This feature makes your booklet more inclusive by generating a text-only version using AI, optimized for screen readers and keyboard navigation, helping your content meet ADA standards. You can also review and edit the AI-generated text to ensure it accurately represents your content and matches your preferences. So we're going to get started here today on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. This is where you'll find the nav button settings, including the accessibility menu. So the first thing we want to do here is toggle on the accessibility menu, just like that. Now we're going to want to go ahead and click on the pencil icon next to it. From here, we're going to click the option to generate accessibility content. A warning will appear, just letting you know that it will replace whatever you have. If you already had an accessibility menu in place, I'm just going to go ahead and click on confirm. And then you get another little pop-up here just letting you know that it will take a couple minutes, but you will be notified when the text is ready. So you can do whatever you want. You can edit your other Simplebooklets. But yeah, it will just take a couple minutes. You can see here we got our notification that our accessibility content is ready. So now from here, we're just going to go click OK. And then it will automatically pop up here from a little pop-up on the right-hand side. So this shows you exactly what your viewers will be seeing when they click the accessibility button on your navbar. And then you can flip through these pages just to see all the content that is generated. So got our table of contents here. See, as you can see, when we flip through it, we'll automatically flip through our booklet as well. Breaks down the images, everything like that. So let's say we came across a page. Okay, I wanted to edit a little bit of this. I would just go to this purple pencil icon here. It will open up the text editor, and then I can edit anything in there. Again, I don't actually have anything to change, but if I wanted to, that's how I would go about it. And then when you have you're ready to go, just go ahead and click on the save button. You'll get a little pop-up there just letting you know that it's been saved. And then yeah, if you ever want to open the accessibility menu in a new browser tab, all you would do is just go ahead and click on the full page button at the top, and then this will take you to a separate browser with all of the content laid out just like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Your changes will be saved automatically. And your readers can now access the accessibility menu from your navbar, giving them a more inclusive and ADA compliant reading experience. Adding an accessibility menu strengthens the awareness and attention stages of the reader's journey. It ensures your content is accessible to a wider audience, promotes compliance, and builds confidence that readers can engage with your booklet in the way that works best for them. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.